Python tuples. Tuples in Python are immutable ordered sequences of elements. They are similar to lists but cannot be modified once created. Tuples are often used to represent groups of related data that should remain unchanged. Creating tuples. Tuples are created using parentheses. Elements within the parentheses are separated by commas. My underscore tuple equals 1, 2, 3, hello, world. Accessing elements. Elements in a tuple can be accessed using their index, starting from 0. First underscore element equals my underscore tuple 0 hashtag output, 1. Last underscore element equals my underscore tuple dash 1 hashtag output, world. Slicing tuples. Tuples can be sliced to extract a portion of their elements. Sub underscore tuple equals my underscore tuple 1:4 hashtag output, 2, 3, hello. Tuple operations. Concatenation. Tuples can be concatenated using the plus operator. Tuple 1 equals 1, 2. Tuple 2 equals 3, 4. Combined underscore tuple equals tuple 1 plus tuple 2 hashtag output, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetition. Tuples can be repeated using the asterisk operator. Repeated underscore tuple equals 1, 2, asterisk 3 hashtag output, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Length. The length of a tuple can be obtained using the len function. Length equals len, my underscore tuple, hashtag output, 5. Membership testing. The in and not in operators can be used to check if an element is present in a tuple. Is underscore present equals hello in my underscore tuple hashtag output, true. Immutability. Tuples are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be changed once created. Attempting to modify an element will result in an error. My underscore tuple 0 equals 5 hashtag this will raise a type error. Use cases. Representing fixed data structures, such as coordinates, dates, or configuration settings. Returning multiple values from a function. Creating key-value pairs in dictionaries. Using as elements in other data structures, like lists or sets. Key points. Tuples are ordered sequences of elements. Tuples are immutable. Tuples can be accessed, sliced, concatenated, repeated, and checked for membership. Tuples are often used for representing fixed data structures.